Well, it's about time to get started back on our Glastron project. Winter's still here, but spring's on its way. This is our 79 Glastron CVX-20 deluxe model. She's got her new colors on her. We still got to sand and buff and finish out a few little spots on it. I think the color options turned out good, the red and white, and we're going to do a black pinstripe. We have the jet pump redone, all blasted and cleaned and cleared. All the vanes have been done. We've got the impeller set. Won't be long, that'll be together. I think we're still going to use the original Jetivator electronic or electric tilt trim mechanism. Still trying to decide on what kind of padding we're going to put in the ski wheels, but I think she's turned out well. We're going to order the factory dash. We did find one of those. Upholstery is starting to get set. All the flooring's been done, stringers work been done. We're just finishing up a little bit of set work with the engine compartment, and we're going to close off the two storage boxes. Took out that foam filled the floor to make up the difference on that. I think it's going to turn out good. The engine's been back from the builder. It's been ran, it's been tested, all the water leaks and everything's checked. We've got the everything dialed in good, and it's just got to pull the manifolds off and have those polished. We've had the manifolds reworked. We had the ports raised up to match these Cobra Jet heads. That turned out real good. Appreciate that, Chris. 130 amp alternator. MSD ignitions. This side here we've got just a quick polish on it after the machine work. It turned out pretty good. We are going to open the exhaust up on this thing. We're going to get rid of the 2 7/8, and we're going to go ahead and machine that out and go in so we got the 3.5 exhaust. Instead of going over the transom headers, we figured we would keep that pretty close. We had to play with the carburetor a little bit, where I think we ended up with 1150 Dominator. Hopefully we can get it dialed in. We won't need a well, we're not sure what we're going to need until we get it in. Hopefully we won't flip the boat over, but that's just the beginning of the project. The windshield's left, finished pot. We're going to go ahead and install the docking lights, reset cleats. We're going to do that today. We got to redo the venting on the back, but I think she's turning out pretty good. Just a little toy. We got enough boats sitting in here we can play with, but this is going to be our 4th of July toy. We might do a couple poker runs, hopefully, if we can keep it in the water. Stay tuned in and check on the progress. Thank you much.